You've completed a double this season. How does it feel to complete a double?
Obviously, I'm very happy. This is my first time winning a double, so I'm very happy. I'm definitely going to celebrate tonight.
But I see him coming into this season. Is this something that you're looking forward to? What are your objectives for the start
To be
of the
honest,
season?
we're only looking to play good cricket, and we're happy we came out tops.
And then today you had, for example, you had Newman Yamuri and Shelton Majitorera as well as Samu Miyambo. Very young players. Not many people would not take those risks in the finals. What made you do that?
We're only missing Chalat Khan, who was the senior bowler. So these guys have been playing throughout. So we signed them in the beginning of the season, picking them that they're going to win us games, and I'm happy that they managed to win us trophies.
What does this mean for Masvingo?
It's a big thing, as you can see. The fans, they are happy, and we need to keep developing our players so that we can maintain winning and have players playing at the highest level.
So can you tell us about the boy Innocent? He's been in phenomenal form in the bet.
He's been playing some good cricket since NPL, and it's good to see him scoring hundreds. Hopefully, you get his jersey back in the national team soon.
But as a coach, what would you say you did right with him?
I tried to manage him. Sometimes players can be a little bit difficult, but yeah, so far he's been really good, and I'm happy that he's scoring runs.
Okay, so moving forward, what's next for Southern Boys?
We keep working hard. Keep working hard.
Okay, all the best.
Seven.